The requirement for a second island receptacle on islands that exceed 4 feet is generally reasonable and aligns with the intent of electrical codes. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires receptacles in specified locations, including wall spaces over 2 feet wide that are not interrupted by doorways, windows, or panel boards, according to NEC 406.5. Islands or peninsulas with a finished surface area of 15 square feet or more that are used or intended to be used for food preparation also require receptacles, as stated in NEC 406.5a. A city's requirement for a second island receptacle on islands over 4 feet aligns with the NEC because islands longer than 4 feet create a significant surface area that may be used for food preparation. This surface area is considered wall space, as it is equivalent to a vertical surface that is accessible and used for tasks like cooking or baking. The requirement is considered reasonable because, firstly, providing a second receptacle ensures that there are adequate outlets for appliances and cooking equipment. This reduces the risk of overloading a single outlet and potential electrical hazards. Secondly, having multiple receptacles allows users to plug in appliances and devices without having to unplug others. Thirdly, the requirement aligns with the NEC guidelines for receptacle spacing, which aim to ensure that electrical outlets are accessible and conveniently located. There may be exceptions to this requirement in certain cases, such as if the island is used solely for decorative purposes and is not intended for food preparation, or if there are other electrical outlets within 6 feet of the island's surface. Overall, the requirement for a second island receptacle on islands over 4 feet is generally considered reasonable and is in line with NEC objectives of ensuring electrical safety and convenience.